In the next 5 minutes, these two are going to show you how to make a whole chicken in an Instant Pot. This recipe is so easy that these two are going to make it on their own, and so if they can do it, you can do it too.
Because we're kids, don't underestimate us.
Wow! With just a handful of ingredients, there's no way you can mess up, guys.
The first step is to rub the salt and pepper on the chicken. Are you ready?
I am now.
Guys, let's move it along.
We're ready to go, Buckaroo.
The rule of thumb is to cook for 5 minutes per pound of chicken.
Make sure to carefully release the steam. It'll take a couple minutes.
Please, don't try this at home.
Here you go. You can't have chicken without mashed potatoes and gravy. Be sure to check out our next video where we'll be showing you how to make mouth-watering mashed potatoes and amazing gravy. Now we do the taste test.
We didn't get to taste it yet, not even in the kitchen.